If we go back to the properties of our Autofire weapon now. Alright, so the next part of our auto shoot turret, we have the random, but this time we're actually going to do follow. Now follow, what we did before, follow with non-smooth on means that it's just simply going to follow whatever animations it's got. You have an option here which is the type is going to be follow smooth rotate, but do you notice it says left facing? So left facing means two things. I can intentionally choose left, so we'll do it both ways so you can see what happens with it. If you choose left on this one, that means it's going to shoot going this direction, and it'll feel right. So we'll go ahead and we'll check the type follow. This is going to be the speed that it moves. So how quickly does it get around on the rotation to whatever triggered the object. And then we'll make one more just so you can see it. So if I go in here, now all of a sudden it's actually just going to start rotating around as it gets towards me. And it's getting there. There we go. So that's going to be the basic part on having it shoot that way with it. The other part, and just to take note is, I think, I have to double check, but this box right here, at the moment, the box, and we'll probably change it up a little bit, but the box rotates with the weapon. So if you start to rotate, if you notice when I went here and it was angled, I was actually out of the trigger box. Usually, at least for now, when you're doing a turret, if you're wanting it to be well aware of everything around it, then it's usually a good idea to actually just make this the box itself, make it a full-fledged box, so that when it rotates, it hits all angles as it goes around. Okay, I'm gonna lower this one a little bit here though. Alright, so the other part on this one, on the lock direction, if I actually change the lock direction, we're going to say opposite here. We're going to go right. So we're saying you have to lock it on the left to shoot properly at the left, but at the same time, you can actually make a fun gameplay element to it, and you could say that when you enter it, it's gonna look left to look at you, but it's gonna shoot the other way. So instead of actually trying to get to me, it's actually going to go completely opposite of me. Alright, so that's going to be a couple of different ways we can look at the rotation part of it. And we've still got more to do for the auto part, but that's going to be at least seeing that you can go through those three states. You can lock it random, and then you can have the auto, you can have the follow with the A directional and follow smooth.